want to learn about investing, then on the 2nd of March, I'll be launching a video series on YouTube where you can find out everything you need to know about investing. I'll explain why you should consider investing. I will talk about investment risk, returns, taxation, and when you need a financial advisor and when you don't. I'll talk about pensions versus ISAs and how to begin investing. I will also look at investing for children and how you can even invest to change the world for the better. There'll be a total of 10 videos with a new episode released every Tuesday and Thursday throughout the month. So make sure that you subscribe to the Money to the Masses YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell to ensure that you get notified as soon as a new video is released.